Slice and Dice automates smart report distribution by eliminating the need for manual exporting, filtering, and resending of the same Salesforce report to multiple users. Instead of repeating these steps for each recipient, you run or upload the report once, and the system handles the rest. Slice and Dice evaluate email address column and automatically split the report into personalized datasets. Each recipient receives only the relevant slice, complete with a customized header and footer, record count and run date, email delivery as a professional formatted Excel file. What was once a repetitive manual task becoming a fully automated workflow. Common use cases including compliance reporting, sales distribution, follow-up notifications, data cleansing, department-specific reporting, and recurring daily, weekly, or monthly delivery. Slice and Dice integrates seamlessly with a one-click download and processing engine, providing a consistent experience whether reports are generated on demand or distributed automatically. It is a simple process. You run the report on Salesforce, you export the report, and then you bring it over to the app. You look for the report name. It will come up. You could upload this file into this screen. You make all your parameters. If you need to save a report, you save a report, and then you said run it, and then it will take your report, and then it will distribute it according to the how many email address you have and how many record per email address. Slice and Dice rely on a simple but essential structural requirement. The first column of the tabular report must contain the recipient's email address, and the report must be sorted by the email column within Salesforce before export. This structure allows Slice and Dice to accurately identify each recipient, group records correctly, and generate personalized report slice for secure and automated distribution. Slice and Dice works exclusively with tabular report details only. When a report is exported or run from Salesforce, the resulting spreadsheet shown here includes the email address column as the first field and is sorted accordingly. As a result, records are clearly grouped by email address within the Excel file, making them ready for Slice and Dice processing. As you scroll through the report, additional recipient email address become visible. A Slice and Dice report may contain one or multiple recipients, and the number of generated files adjusts dynamically based on the unique email address present. This page guides you through every step required to prepare, configure, and process an uploaded Salesforce report using CRMReposAPI. The screen is organized into 6 sections, each handling a specific part of the setup and processing flow. Section 1. Begin by selecting the Salesforce report you want to work with. As you type in the lookup field, matching the report appears instantly. After selecting a report and clicking Get Selected Report, all related sections become visible, and the full configuration automatically loads. To reset your selection at any time, simply click the X inside the lookup field. This clears the field and removes any displayed setup information. Section 2. Report Run Setup. This section displays the core metadata of the chosen report, including the original report name, Salesforce ID, and the date of the setup was last updated. You can edit the downloadable report file name. Then you could switch the report format to tabular, process report to upload, and drag and drop your exported Salesforce report details only into the uploaded area. Switch Slice and Dice to active. Then a new section of this screen also introduces 2 editable fields, email subject and email body. Section 3. Slice and Dice email. When Slice and Dice is enabled, a new section appears that allows you to define the email message used to distribute personalized report files. This section introduces 2 editable fields, email subject and email body. The report name is automatically inserted into both fields by default. The email body also supports 2 dynamic parameters: record count, the number of records included in the recipient slice, Run date is UTC, the date and time the report was processed. These parameters are populated automatically at runtime, ensuring each recipient receives a personalized and context-aware message along with the report attachment. Section 4, Report Header and Footer. In this section, CRM Repo API show you the full header and footer that will be applied to the generated Excel file. The template includes system-generated elements such as instance name, export date, company name, and page numbering. The only editable item here is report name, which you can adjust if you want it to appear differently in the final header. Section 5, the spreadsheet setup. Here you define how the final spreadsheet will look and print. CRM Repo API supports autofilter, freeze first column and column, fit to print, landscape orientation, and standard tabular layout option. If additional security is required, you can enable the optional encryption setup, which encrypts the final XLSX using code you provided. Now, Section 6, Process Report. At the bottom of the screen, CRM Repo API indicates whether this is a new report configuration or an existing one. If you are creating a new setup or have modified any field, you must click Save Report to store your changes. Once saved, click Next to proceed with processing the report and generating your final XLX output. Slice and Dice deliver fully customizable emails, automatically injecting the final record count and run date for every recipient, ensuring accuracy, clarity, and professionalism. If you proceed without saving your changes, CRM Repo API will continue using the previously saved configuration. To apply updates, click the previous button. Return to the setup screen and save your changes. Otherwise, the proceed report will be generated using the last saved setup. Once everything is ready, click Process Upload Report to begin Slice and Dice delivery. Processing time may vary depending on the number of recipients or records. When processing is complete, the next screen will display a download file link screen. Report formatted. Download report with header and footer. Read and print ready. Here is the processed report generated through CRM Repos API. The output includes full spreadsheet formatting, frozen headers, optimized layout, and a consistent structure applied automatically for a complete view of how the report will print. Open File Print Review to review the formatting and page layout. The processed report includes both header and footer, making it presentation ready and compliant. Fit to Print automatically optimizes the Excel page layout by adjusting scaling, margin, and page width to ensure the entire report fits neatly on the printed page. This prevents columns from being cut off, reduce unwanted page breaks, and produce a clean print-ready layout every time. For each recipient, the email sent to their email address includes the following. Email from systemhelp@crmrepos.com, the same sender used by CRM Repo job scheduling. Email to, the email address from the first column. Attachment, the slice report file. The file name begins with SD underscore followed by a counter 1, 2, 3, 4 and so far. Email subject, your record from report name. Email body includes the report name, record count, and run date in UTC. Please note, both the email subject and email body are fully customized for each report. When you click the report file attached to the email, you will notice that the email column has been removed and the first row has been frozen for easier viewing. Any report generated through Slice and Dice automatically includes the header and footer as well as all fit-to-print optimization. For each recipient, the email sent to their email address includes the following. Email from systemhelp@crmrepos.com, the same sender used by CRM Repo job scheduling. Email to, the email address from the first column. Attachment, the slice report file. The file name begins with SD underscore followed by a counter 1, 2, 3, 4 and so far. Email subject, your record from report name. Email body includes the report name, record count, and run date in UTC. Please note, both the email subject and email body are fully customized for each report. When you click the report file attached to the email, you will notice that the email column has been removed and the first row has been frozen for easier viewing. Any report generated through Slice and Dice automatically includes the header and footer as well as all fit-to-print optimization. For each recipient, the email sent to their email address includes the following. Email from systemhelp@crmrepos.com, the same sender used by CRM Repo job scheduling. Email to, the email address from the first column. Attachment, the Slice report file. The file name begins with SD underscore followed by a counter 1, 2, 3, 4 and so far. Email subject, your record from report name. Email body includes the report name, record count, and run date in UTC. Please note, both the email subject and email body are fully customized for each report. When you click the report file attached to the email, you will notice that the email column has been removed and the first row has been frozen for easier viewing. Any report generated through Slice and Dice automatically includes the header and footer as well as all fit-to-print optimization. Instead of navigation to Salesforce to open the report screen, manually running a report, exporting it, and then uploading it to the file, CRM Repo API provides a built-in run report capability. This functionality originally introduced in CRM Repo Report Job Scheduler and now inherited by CRM Repo API. Allow report to be executed directly from the application. The report is automatically run, downloaded, and delivered as a fully formatted Excel file with all the configured enhancement applied, including header and footer, print optimization, encryption if enabled, and any additional processing rules. The run report features require a master login with the appropriate Salesforce permission. Once the access is configured and granted, or authorized user can leverage the feature without needing individual elevated permissions, provided access has been explicitly approved. Additionally, a CRM Repo subscription enables you to schedule any Salesforce report to run automatically and be delivered to an assigned recipient. If your organization already has this subscription, there is no additional charge to use the run report capability within the CRM Repo API flow. The Slice and Dice run screen function identically to the upload screen. The only difference is setting process report to run instead to upload. All other step and processing behavior remain the same.